Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class. I am very glad to meet you in this session. Are you fine, students? I hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of God. Okay, students. Now let us come forward to today's class. In the beginning of this class, first of all, we can recollect few important points about previous class portion. Okay. Previous class, which topic we discussed? Have you remember, students? We discussed about natural resources, is it? Students, have you remember what are the two types of natural resources? Very good. Renewable resources and non-renewable resources, is it? What is renewable resources? Have you remember? Renewable resources is one that can be used repeatedly and does not run out because of its naturally replaced. Is it? Then next, for example, forest, wind, water, etc. Is it? Then the second type is non-renewable resources. Is it? The second type is non-renewable resources. Students, what are non-renewable resources? Have you remember? What is the definition? Non-renewable resource is the sources that cannot be replaced again after utilization. What are the examples of non-renewable resource? Very good. Coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Is it? Okay, students. From here, in the previous class, we discussed about one of the important types of natural resource, that is minerals. Is it? That is minerals. In the previous class, we discussed about minerals. Just we recollect a few important points about these minerals. Okay. On the basis of chemical and physical properties, minerals are grouped under two categories. Is it? Students, what are the two categories of minerals? Very good. Metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Is it? What are the two groups? Metallic and non-metallic. Is it? Metallic minerals are the minerals which contain one or more metallic elements in them. Is it? Then non-metallic minerals are a special group of chemical elements from which no new product can be generated if they are melted. Is it? These are the things we discussed about previous class, and also I gave some worksheet. Is it? Some question answers I gave. Students, I hope you completed that worksheet also. Day to day portion you have to write and learn. Okay. All the worksheet are related to 10th standard portion. So you have to prepare well. Okay, students. Okay. Today's class we are going to discuss about the examples of metallic minerals. Okay. Students, in the previous class we discussed about minerals, the two types of minerals, metallic and non-metallic minerals. From there, today's class we are going to discuss about the first examples of the first type, that is metallic minerals. The examples of metallic minerals. Okay. Have you remember, students, what are the examples of metallic minerals? Very good. Iron ore, manganese, bauxite, copper, etc. Okay, these are the examples of metallic minerals. Okay. Okay, students. Now I will explain each examples one by one. Okay, now I will explain each examples one by one. The first one is iron ore. Okay, from metallic minerals, the first example is iron ore. Okay, students, iron ore are rocks and minerals from which metallic iron can be economically extracted. Iron ores are rocks and minerals from which metallic iron can be economically extracted. Okay. This iron ores has some of the content like iron oxide. Okay. One of the important content in iron ore is iron oxide, and also its color is dark grey, bright yellow and deep purple to rusty red. Okay, its color is dark grey, bright yellow or deep purple to rusty red. Okay. And also, this iron ore is the backbone of modern civilization and the foundation of our basic industry. That means it is the backbone of modern civilization. Is it? Iron ore is the backbone of modern civilization. It is the foundation of our basic industry. That means most of the industries are used this iron ore to produce all things. Most of the things are produced with the help of this iron ore. Okay, India is rich in iron deposits. We can found all part of India for this iron ore. We can found iron ore in all parts of our country. Okay, and also the quality of iron ore is one of the best in the world. Indian iron ore is the best quality of iron ore in the world. Okay, from here, Jharkhand, one of the state of India, Jharkhand is the leading producer of iron ore, and also 25 percentage of iron ores we are producing from Jharkhand, the state of Jharkhand. Then this iron ore has two types. They are magnetite and hematite. Okay, magnetite, hematite, goethite, limonite, and siderite. Like that, some of the types are there, but two important types are there. That is magnetite, hematite. Okay, magnetite and hematite. Magnetite contain 25 to 62 percentage of pure iron. Okay, magnetite contain 25 to 62 percentage of pure iron. In India, mostly we can find this magnetite in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Okay, it is dark brown and blackish color. In which color is this magnetite? Dark brown and blackish color. So it is otherwise called black ores. The magnetite is otherwise called black ores. Okay. Then the second type is hematite. Okay, the second type is hematite. Hematite contain 60 to 70 percentage pure iron. This hematite contain 60 to 70 percentage pure iron. Mostly in India, we can find this hematite in Jharkhand, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Okay, this hematite is reddish color. Which color is the hematite? Hematite is in reddish color. So, it is otherwise called red ores. Okay, magnetite is called black ores. Why magnetite is called black ores? Because magnetite is dark brown and blackish color. So, that is called black ores. But hematite is reddish color. So, it is called red ore. Okay, can you understand, students? Okay, then the second example is the manganese. Okay, second example is the manganese. Manganese is a chemical element. It is not found as a free element in nature. It is often found in minerals in combination with iron. Okay, manganese is a chemical element. It is one of the chemical element, but we cannot found free element in nature. Freely we cannot found in nature for this manganese. It is often found in minerals in the combination with iron. Okay, this manganese ore is mainly used for making iron and steel. Okay, mostly this manganese is used to make iron and steel, and it used to preparing alloy. Okay, it is used to preparing alloy. ALLOY. Okay, ALLOY, alloy. Alloy means steel. Okay, it is also used for making paints, glass, chemicals, bleaching powder, batteries, etc. Okay, this manganese is also used for making paints, glass, chemicals, bleaching powder, batteries, etc. Okay, India is the fifth place in the reserve of manganese ore in the world. India is the fifth place. Okay, we can found India most of the areas in this iron ore. India is the fifth place in the reserve of manganese ore in the world. Okay, the largest deposits of manganese is found in Odisha. Odisha is the largest producer of this manganese. In India, manganese ore mining companies headquartered in Nagpur. Okay, in India, the manganese ore mining company is headquartered in Nagpur. Okay, then the third important example is the copper. Okay, the third important example is the copper. Copper is a chemical element. Listen very careful, students. Copper is a chemical element. Its symbol is Cu. Okay, copper symbol is Cu and atomic number is 29. In the chemistry subject, already you learned this. The symbol of copper is Cu and the atomic number is 29. It is a soft metal with high thermal and electrical conductivity. The copper is a soft metal with high thermal and electrical conductivity. Okay. Copper is the first metal that prehistoric people has used many purposes. In the prehistoric period itself, the people used this copper for their purposes. It is a metallic metal. It can never be broken. Okay, the copper is a metallic metal. It can never be broken. Okay, most copper is found in 7 ores. That means it's mixed in with other metals like zinc, gold, cobalt, platinum, nickel, etc. Okay, most copper is found in 7 ores. That means some of the ores are contained in this copper. The copper is mixed some other metals like zinc, gold, cobalt, platinum, nickel, etc. Okay. Copper and its compounds have many used in today's society. In the society, copper most of the areas, most of the companies, and to making all the things, they are using this copper. Okay, it has many chemical properties. This copper has many chemical properties that make unique. It is used to make varieties of electrical machines, wires and cables. Okay, largest resource of copper ore is in the state of Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, mostly we can find this copper. Large amount of copper we can found in the state of Rajasthan because of its distinct red color easily can identify. That means copper is in red color, so easily we can find out this copper. Okay, can understand, students? Then the last example is the bauxite. Okay, the last example is the bauxite. Listen, students, it is a rock formed from a reddish clay material. Okay, bauxite is a rock formed from a reddish clay material. That material is called laterite soil. Okay, that material is called laterite soil, and mostly we can found in tropical or subtropical region. This bauxite is mostly we can found in tropical region or subtropical region. Okay, it is an important ore from aluminium is extracted. The bauxite is an important ore from which aluminium is extracted. It is found in the rock consisting mainly of hydrated aluminium oxide. The bauxite is found in the rock consisting mainly of hydrated aluminium oxide. Okay. Aluminium is obtained from the mineral bauxite. It is used to manufacture of electric cables, alloys, utensils, spare parts of automobiles, aeroplane and shipbuilding industry. Okay, the bauxite is used to manufacture some of the things. Is it? What are the things we are manufacturing through bauxite? So, electric cables, alloys. What is meant by alloys? Steel. Alloy means steel. Okay, then utensil, then spare parts of automobiles, aeroplanes and shipbuilding industry. Okay, It is reddish brown, white tan and tan yellow color. This bauxite is reddish brown, white tan and tan yellow color. It look like clay or soil. This bauxite is look like clay or soil. Okay. Odisha is the leading state to produce bauxite. In India, mostly we can found the state of Odisha. Okay, in India, we can found this bauxite in the state of Odisha. 52 percentage of bauxite is produced in Odisha. How much percentage, students? 52. Okay, 52 percentage of bauxite we can produced in Odisha. Okay, and also some other states also we can found this bauxite. For example, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, these areas also mostly we can found this bauxite. Okay, can you understand, students? These are the important examples of these metallic minerals. Okay, shall we recall the points, students? Today's class, we discussed about some of the examples of metallic minerals. Is it, students? Today's class, we discussed about the examples of metallic minerals. Okay, these all things are related to your 10th standard portion. So, you have to listen very careful. Okay, we can recollect, students. The first example is the iron ore. Is it? The first example is the iron ore. Iron ore are rocks and minerals from which metallic iron can be economically extracted. Is it? Then, in which color is the iron ore? Have you remember, students? Very good. Iron ore is dark grey or bright yellow or purple to rusty red color. Is it? What is the color of this iron ore? Mostly dark grey color. Okay, iron ore is the dark grey color or bright yellow color or purple to rusty red color. Okay, just you see this picture here given the examples of iron ore. Okay, then secondly, we learned about the manganese. Is it? Manganese. Manganese is a chemical element. Is it? Manganese is a chemical element. Do you know, students, the symbol of manganese? You everyone know. Is it? In the science subject you learned. Is it? The symbol of manganese is Mn. Okay. What is the atomic number of manganese? Do you know? Very good. 25. Okay. The atomic number of manganese is 25. Okay. Then it is not found as a free element in nature. Is it? Naturally, we cannot this manganese, but it is often found in the minerals in the combination with the iron. Okay. Then, which are the areas mostly we can use to this manganese? Very good. Mostly we can use this manganese for making iron and steel industries. Is it? And also this manganese is used to making paints, glass, chemicals, bleaching powder, batteries. Is it? These are the areas we can use to this manganese. Okay. India is fifth place to produce this manganese. Is it, students? In which state is the largest founder of this manganese? Very good. Which state, students? The largest deposits of manganese is in Odisha. Okay, Odisha. Okay. Then the manganese ore mining company is there in India. Is it? The headquarter, the manganese iron ore mining company's headquarter is situated in India. Is it in which place, students? Nagpur. Okay, Nagpur. Okay. Then next we learned about the third example, that is copper. Is it? Copper. Copper is a chemical element. Its symbol is Cu. Okay, what is the symbol of copper? Cu. What is the atomic number of copper? 29. Okay, 29. It is a soft metal, is it? It is a soft metal. Then we used many purposes for this copper. Is it? Then which are the areas we used this copper, students? We used to make varieties of electrical machines, wires, cables, etc. Is it? We used this copper to prepare some of the electrical things. Okay. Then which state is the largest producer of this copper? Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan is the largest producer of copper. Okay. Then finally we learned about the bauxite. Is it one of the last example is bauxite? Bauxite is a rock formed from a reddish clay material. That particular material is called laterite soil. Okay, laterite soil. Where we can mostly found this bauxite? Tropical or subtropical region. Mostly we can found this bauxite. Okay, okay, students. This bauxite is mostly used to manufacture some of the electric things. Is it electric cables, then alloys, that means steel, then utensils, spare parts of automobiles, aeroplanes, shipbuilding industry. These are the areas mostly we can use to this bauxite. Is it? In which state is the leading producer of bauxite? Very good. Odisha. Okay, Odisha is the leading producer of this bauxite. How much percentage bauxite are produced from Odisha? 52 percentage. Okay, 52 percentage of bauxite is produced from Odisha, and also some other state, for example, Andhra, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. These state also mostly we can found this bauxite. Okay, okay, students. These are the things we discussed in this class. Okay, students. Today's worksheet you have to listen. Today's worksheet is the examples of bauxite. Okay, what is metallic minerals and the examples of metallic minerals. Okay, the four examples I given. Iron ore, you have to prepare what are the uses of iron ore, then which is the leading producer, then how much percentage we can produce from our country, then what are the types of these iron ore. Okay, that you prepare that questions. Then manganese, from manganese, what are the uses of manganese, which state is the largest producer, that also you have to prepare. Then thirdly, copper, in which state is the largest producer of copper, what is the uses of copper, you have to prepare. Then bauxite, likewise bauxite also the uses and which state mostly we can found this bauxite. These are the things you have to prepare. Okay, students. Okay, we have to meet the next we will meet the next class. Thank you, students.